Well, folks, it finally came. This is the block. The RX 318. Really, there's not much different. About the same thing. So this thing's got like 8 screws, maybe 9 in the back, and 2 in the side here. And of course, I'm gonna have to show you guys here. So there's 2 up here. Yeah, the 2 smaller ones are back here. Then you get the 4 big ones on each side. You guys hear a cat? That's my little buddy. She's in the bedroom there, my wife. So I'm out here working, plus this is a bigger space for me. Alright, so this ought to slide right off. Just like so. Man, a lot of cobwebs in here. Holy smokes. It's been sitting quite a while. This thing was pretty clean. Like I said, it's been sitting for some time, so. So now I've gotta, it's even busted this off, so I gotta take these out. 1 and then the 2. Normally the 3rd one, but that's broke, so. Let's see what we got to do underneath, because I know there's some underneath too. Guys there, and I want to make sure you guys are like not zoomed out. Take this off here. Oop, that'd help if I was actually in the screw. Wasn't paying attention. Okay, there's that. I'm going to go ahead and take this one off too, simply because put all these all together here. Yeah, there's already some pieces broke. So. And there's 3 on the bottom. I gotta remove the feet. These ain't the original feet to this, by the way. These are more or less off of another stereo system that I used. Because the feet that was on this, I actually used for a different radio that I sold. So that was why I didn't have that on this. I recently put oh shoot, I recently just put these on here because I had forgotten when I dug this out of the closet. I forgot I stole the feet off of these. So it's like, uh-oh, I better put feet on it if I'm fixing it. Okay, now this should actually, maybe I should flip it back around. Let's see here. trying to do this to where I'm not going to screw anything up. Oh yeah, I got to take the knob off. That would be something you got to do first. Take this off. That just slides right out along with this. And this here, and also should slide off, but I think it's got two different type of, yeah, these should come right off. I think these come right off, but I'm not sure. Yeah. Yeah, you just pop them up with your nail. There's that one, and then you got this other one here. You got to pop up. Hold up. I kind of wish I would have got my flathead, standard screwdriver. So what I'll do is, I hate to put that on the board like that. Oops. It ain't gonna hurt it. Everything's magnetized in this. I do believe. Hold up, let's get this one out. Pop this one too. There we go. There's that one. See, all these circuits down here look pretty good too. They're not messed up by any means. That's how that works. You just gotta put them right back down in there like that, you know. And then you got this one. Now this one, on the other hand, is tied in here. Sorry about that. I really gotta get a better camera. Alrighty. Now I'm just working on getting this off, this like nut thing off of here. There we go. That's what's holding this on. This little thing here, so that's always nice, right? I just gotta kind of ease it off here. And then boom, wada bing. And it's crazy because I kept yanking on these, but that's not, you know, that's nothing there. I wish I can use this. I never really used tape anyways, honestly. The other tricky part is to one more, it's got to come undone, and it is back here. It goes around and it goes. It'd be better if I showed you this little guy down there. I gotta just gotta pop this up right here. This one, yeah. So it's gotta be popped up a certain way, and it would really be better if I just got a pair of pliers here and try it this way. If I can, let's see. A certain way of popping this up and without breaking it completely. There. Pops right up, and then it looks like once I get it popped out, I guess I can just pull it out with these. I gotta be very gentle, because if not, you're gonna tear some stuff up. And it looks like the two black, and that's the positive. Yeah. Okay, so this has got to go through here. Now it should just be free. There we go. that's the first part of it. I want to set this aside and start tearing down the other one. So that's what I'm going to do. And just give me a quick second. I'll get right back with you. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but there's cracks. Like, it's busted. Bad. Kind of upsetting, really. This is all busted. It's cracked. I can push on it. And it's right where the volume knob is. Right here. So, that being said, I'm going to have to substitute parts out of this. That's what's good. And make the black one work. Folks, I'm a little bit confused. I'll have to show you what the seller said about this JVC. Clearly said there was no sound. I think maybe he didn't check a few things. I don't know. Or it's broken speakers. I threw this JVC DVD player on here. My surround sound JVC speakers. Because the other ones are over here, of course. And I'm glad I didn't tear it apart because right, left. Now I'm not going to have that blaring too much because of copyright, but it is working. Now this here, the tape itself, does not work, which in video, sound, whatever, I don't care about that. Surround sound does work. Okay. And I think the loudness don't work. Maybe there's a few things I need. There's a few things I need to check out on there, but everything is working. I paid $25 for this, $23 for shipping. That saved me some time. Maybe I can just, you know, figure out why these ain't working. The buttons maybe need cleaned or something. Well, I was gonna try to fix this one, as you know, now I can't because the damage on the board down here. I'm gonna have to show you to you in further details here what I'm talking about. Alright, so this is the JVC RX 318 receiver that I bought, and now I can't seem to find where the seller says it doesn't work. Like it comes on but no sound. Yeah, I can't figure out where that's at. But yeah, I paid $25 for it and $23.10 for shipping for $49.85. Now, do you see those cracks? You know, right in here, right there. That is not good. I could sit here and, you know, move this real well. When that thing fell, it hit pretty good on this, and it just pushed down on this, you know, and cracked it pretty good. This was such an awesome stereo. Guess there's a few good parts out of it, you know, I can keep for the other one. Just keep this as a backup. This board is shot. These capacitors are still good. A lot of good fuses and stuff. There's a lot of them that are, you know, still good. So this is going to be the parts one now. Sorry, I wish I could have did more for this video for you guys. This has just been I don't know, it's been pretty frustrating. It looks like maybe these ain't good after all. It looks like something leaked out of them. Oh, no, maybe it's just garbage. This thing's probably just garbage. Maybe keep these here and whatnot. This top board here looks okay. Other than that, I think it's garbage time for it. But at least we got one that does work. Later on, maybe I can try to figure out what is wrong with these buttons. Probably just need a good cleaning. And what a bummer. Well, not such a bummer on that thing, but on this thing. Alright, that's concluded the video. I'll try to find something else for you guys I can actually work on. Alright, y'all take care. Like always. Peace.